Namaste. I am Yogacharya Manoj Joshi, and in this video, I will guide you through understanding one of the most powerful wellness practices in the world, Yoga Nidra. What if I told you there's a practice that's thousands of years old where you lie down, close your eyes, and do absolutely nothing, and it can literally change the structure of your brain? It sounds too good to be true, but modern neuroscience is now confirming what ancient yogic traditions have known for centuries. This practice is called Yoga Nidra, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to explain exactly what it is, how it works, and why it might be the most important wellness tool you've never heard of. Yoga Nidra literally translates to yogic sleep. But here's what most people get wrong. It's not actually sleep, it's the state between waking and sleeping. That threshold where your body is completely at rest, but your awareness is still gently present. Think of it this way. When you fall asleep at night, you lose awareness. When you're awake during the day, your mind is racing. Yoga Nidra is the space in between, where the body gets the deep rest it needs, and the mind finally gets quiet, but you remain conscious. In classical yogic philosophy, this is described through 4 states of consciousness. There's Jagrat, the waking state; Swapna, the dream state; Sushupti, deep dreamless sleep; and then there's Turiya, a state of pure awareness that underlies all the others. Yoga Nidra takes you to the doorstep of that 4th state. You're not asleep, you're not fully awake, you're in a state of conscious deep rest, and that's where transformation happens. This isn't a modern invention. The roots of Yoga Nidra go back thousands of years to the tantric meditation traditions of India, where practitioners explored awareness within altered states of consciousness. Ancient texts like the Mandukya Upanishad describe these states of consciousness in detail. Yogic practitioners were trained to remain aware as the body entered sleep-like states, using this awareness as a tool for self-transformation. In the 20th century, Swami Satyananda Saraswati of the Bihar School of Yoga took these ancient practices and organized them into a structured method that anyone could follow. He developed the sequence we use today: preparation, setting an intention called Sankalp, rotation of consciousness through the body, breath awareness, visualization, and a gentle return. This is the tradition I trained in and have been teaching for nearly 2 decades. So what's happening in your body when you practice Yoga Nidra? Let me walk you through the science. First, there's the body scan, what we call rotation of consciousness. As your attention moves through different parts of your body, your muscles begin to release tension they've been holding, sometimes for years. Your jaw, shoulders, belly, these are areas where stress accumulates. When that tension releases, it sends a signal to your brain, we're safe now. Next comes breath awareness. When you slow your breathing, you directly activate your parasympathetic nervous system. That's the part of your nervous system responsible for rest and recovery. Your heart rate drops, your blood pressure lowers, stress hormones like cortisol begin to decrease. Then something remarkable happens to your brain waves. During normal activity, your brain runs on beta waves, fast analytical problem solving mode. During Yoga Nidra, your brain shifts first to alpha waves, calm wakefulness, and then into theta waves. The same patterns seen in deep meditation and early sleep stages. Functional MRI research now shows that practices like Yoga Nidra A map to what neuroscientists call default mode network deactivation and cortical thickening, meaning your brain is literally being restructured by the practice. And here's the key. In that theta state, your subconscious mind becomes more accessible. This is where the sankalp, your personal intention, gets planted like a seed in fertile ground. Why does this matter now? Because our nervous systems are under assault. We process more information in a single day than our grandparents processed in a week. Our phones ping us constantly. AI tools amplify our productivity but simultaneously compound the cognitive load. Here's the problem. Your brain has two operating modes. Stress mode, the sympathetic nervous system, fight or flight, high friction, always on. And recovery mode, the parasympathetic nervous system, rest and restore, deep clarity. Sustained high performance requires alternating between these two states. But the modern default is locked in stress mode. We've forgotten how to recover. Yoga Nidra is a systematic method for switching your nervous system back into recovery mode. It's not just relaxation, it's trained recovery. And recovery is a skill that can be developed. If you've never tried Yoga Nidra before, here's what to expect. You lie down, that's it. No flexibility required, no special equipment. You simply close your eyes and follow the guided voice. Most sessions are between 20 and 40 minutes. You might feel like you drifted off. That's perfectly normal and completely fine. Your subconscious is still receiving the practice. After a session, people often describe feeling like they slept for hours, even though only 30 minutes passed. That deep biological reset is real. If this resonates with you, I have created free introductory sessions right here on this channel. Start with the 3-day sleep reset. It's designed specifically for beginners and gives you a direct experience of what Yoga Nidra can do. The best way to understand Yoga Nidra is not to read about it, it's to experience it. I am Yogacharya Manoj. Subscribe to Wellness by All Means for more, and I'll see you in the practice. Namaste.